In the fast-paced world of healthcare, precision, reliability, and safety are paramount. We are proud to introduce our range of zipper bags specifically designed for medical industry. Our zipper bags are the perfect solution for medical specimens, ensuring the safety integrity during transportation and analysis.
Made from LDPE material, these bags are not only incredibly safe and durable but also provide excellent protection against dust, moisture, and contamination. The transparent design allows for quick and easy identification of the contents, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in medical settings. Our innovative bag features a convenient front pocket, perfect for storing and organizing medical specimens with ease. With the Kangaroo zipper bag, you can trust that your valuable specimens are secure and well preserved, ready for analysis and testing.
Various in size and designs, our zipper bags can be tailored to meet specific needs of hospitals, clinics, and laboratories. Moreover, we provide you with an affordable price and customization.
Durable, leak-proof, and easy to use, Haplast JSC zipper bags provide peace of mind for healthcare professionals, ensuring the safety of both patients and practitioners.
Contact us today to discover the full range of our zipper bags and how they can benefit your facility.